Welcome. If you're trying to update your gender on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram has made a few layout changes recently, so if things look a little different, don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines there. This is the menu icon. Click on it to open up more options. After clicking the menu, a small panel will appear. From there, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Now, inside the settings page, find and click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to change details like your name, bio, and other personal information linked to your account. Scroll down a bit until you find the gender field. Click on it, and you'll see different options available. Simply select Male from the list. Once you've chosen your gender, don't forget the final step. Click on the Submit button to save your changes. If you skip this part, your update won't be applied, so make sure everything is saved properly. And that's it. Your gender is now updated on Instagram using your PC. It's a quick process once you know where everything is, especially with the new layout. If this helped you out, feel free to stick around for more simple and clear guides like this. Thanks for watching.